Freya, can you find the cow?
Yeah.
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 Well done.
Yay! Thank you. And can you do a sheep?
Yeah. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
And a duck.
Yeah. Horsey.
Oh, horsey. Okay. Good girl. Can we have the duck this time? Ta-ta. Can we have the duck?
Yeah.
The duck. Good girl. Thank you. Right. What about the doggy?
Georgie.
Where's the doggy?
Yeah. Georgie. Georgie.
Doggy. Good girl. Ta-ta. Oh. And what about the piggy? Good girl. And what's that one? Oh.
Where's the chicken's head?
Where's the chicken's head?
Where's the chicken's head? Freya? Where's the chicken's head?
Yeah.
Good find.
Oh, okay.
No.
Okay, Bobby.
That goes with the chicken's bottom.
Look, what's this bit?
Okay.
Oh dear. Right.
Oh, well done. What have you got left?
Okay.
What animal have you got left? Thank you.
Ta-ta.
What animal's this?
Two.
Turtle.
Two.
Yay! Ta-ta. Right. What noise does this one make? Good girl. What noise does this one make? No. What noise does the cow make? Moo. And what's this one?
Horsey.
Horsey. And the piggy?
Yeah.
What noise does a piggy make? What noise does Peppa Pig make? What does the doggy say?
Whoa, whoa.
Woof woof. Yep. And what does this one say?
Yeah.
Duck, 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 duck.
What does a horsey say?
What does the tortoise say? Nothing. Say bye bye, Nanny.
Say it louder.
Bye, Nanny.
Bye bye, Susie.
Bye-bye, Susie.
Bye bye, Lainey.
Bye-bye, Nanny.
Bye bye, Jamie.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye, Nina.
Bye-bye, Nino.
Bye bye, David.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye, baby Jacob.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Oh. Wave. Blow kisses.